Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and effective way to speed up your old Android phone to the maximum. This trick works even if your device is very old and struggling with apps or system performance. Okay, let's get started. Old Android phones usually slow down because of limited storage or heavy apps and leftover cache files. And on top of that, system animations make the phone feel even slower when opening apps like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. But the good news is we can disable or reduce those animations and make the phones much faster. First, let's enable developer options. Just open settings and then just tap on about phone and then find a build number, or on my case I will tap on detail info and spec, and then you can find a build number or OS versions and then just tap it 7 times until you see the message you are now a developer. Or on my case I can enable developer options by tap on OS versions. This one. I will just tap it 7 times. Like this. The developer options already enabled. And then let's move on the next step. Just go back. And then just search for developer options. Like this. And then just scroll down until you find these 3 options. These 3 options. Window animation scale, and then transitions animation scale, and then animator duration scale. These 3 options. By default, they are set to 1 times. Then just change them all to 0.5 times. This will make animations run faster and the phone feels smoother. Just tap on the options and then just change them to 0.5 scale like this. Just make sure you all change them all. And for maximum speed, set them all to off. That will remove animations completely and give the fastest experience. And okay, that's it. With these simple settings, you can give your old Android device a big speed boost without installing any extra apps. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.